Always try to get
I just sent you. Yesterday I did. One of them's checking for blood in my soul. And then I got two.
What about school?
Luckily Summer's here.
Oh, yeah. No.
Just waiting, talking to them. They don't.
Not anything else. We got
Yeah, I'm not sure. They weren't worried when they took care of it. They had no mask. They had nothing.
I did an overtime.
I'm pretty sure, like.
I still got plenty of Red Bull at the game. I still got plenty of Red.
Literally. What? She didn't pay an extra? Oh, I don't know. She watched the beer.
What? I got nothing. 6 foot week out.
You sold yourself for that.
I might have sold my.
I had coffee this morning and it was just coffee, water.
Like, no, let's be honest. Let's be honest.
It's just for so long.
Yeah, I feel like I got out of the workout. Oh, good shot.
Oh, you will never get 9 like me.
Oh! Come on, you're on the. What if your guy holds it? Oh, come back! That can happen to you too. Oh, yeah! Why would you say? You know, it's funny if you did pull that 300 journey.